Alright guys, what is up? This is going to be a late little New Year's Eve post. We wanted to post this earlier, but we were busy on New Year's Eve watching the last episode of Stranger Things. And we've just been busy after that, haven't been really home. So yeah, Leo wants to join us though. You guys saw him in the 4th of July vlog. He's getting a little older now. But yeah, man, it's been a while since we talked to you guys. But we just want to say Happy New Year's, Happy late New Year's, Happy holidays and everything. Hope you guys had a nice fun Christmas with the family and nice fun and safe New Year's Eve celebration if you guys did. We did not do much honestly because we didn't have time to go get fireworks. There was no fireworks. No, Leo. Go. But we didn't have, there was no fireworks around us that were open, and we didn't have time to like go to places to get fireworks. My goal was to go to Columbia to get some, but we just didn't have the time to go out there. I don't really know. I don't know what this dog is doing, but yeah, so we couldn't provide you guys any firework content this New Year's Eve, which we've never actually lit fireworks off New Year's Eve, so it's not like a thing we always do. So yeah, but we will start back with firework content, hopefully, like what, early June? Probably early June. Hell, maybe late May, who knows? We'll just see what's open around us and if we can get our hands on some fireworks. But yeah, I just hope you guys had a good New Year's, had a good Christmas, had a good rest of your guys' holidays, the rest of the year, like a good Halloween, Thanksgiving, whatever. And yeah, we're already almost halfway till 4th of July again, so we're definitely ready for that. As time just keeps going by, I'm always looking forward to 4th of July coming, so we're at the new year now, so you'll look at it 6 months later, it'll be 4th of July, literally. Tomorrow will be 6 months exact until 4th of July, so it's getting crazy how it's already been half a year since it's been. So yeah, y'all. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick little Happy New Year's thing. Nine, do you have anything to say?
No.
So yeah, we're gonna roll our clips, our favorite, like probably our most popular clips from what I've seen in our analytics, like what videos were, like what firework type of content was more popular, and I'm gonna just show some more in there. So this is gonna be a nice little just like a year recap of our firework thing earlier today. I just want to say thank you guys for all the love. I mean, we did not expect us to get 70 something subscribers our first year. Like, are you serious? Like, we literally started, we only posted for like 3 weeks and we already got 70 subscribers. I really appreciate it, you guys. And yeah, comment what you guys would like to see in the future, in like a few months from now when we start trying to post content for fireworks. Comment what you guys would like to see. Yeah, we're out of here. Nine of us have nothing else to say. I don't have nothing else to say. Leo yeah, he just, look at them all getting close to the camera.
Do you want to do more
say anything?
videos this year?
You want to say anything?
Guys, his
I don't think he
birthday's
wants to.
coming up.
Oh, when is his birthday?
February 2nd.
I'll have to get him something.
Leo, you're about to be 2.
But yeah, y'all,
Quit gripping him like
we out of here. We'll see y'all in the next one.
I'm about to push him.
And yeah, now let's just play our firework clips. Peace out, y'all. Have a good rest of y'all's time until we see y'all next time. And yeah, make sure y'all subscribe if y'all haven't already. Make sure y'all like and make sure you guys turn on the notifications when we post. So yeah, y'all. Peace out. That was Here we go, y'all. Number 3. Here we go.
Right now.
That one's about to tip.
What?
That one's about to tip.
They better not. That's a tip. Oh, it's definitely about to tip. Guys, we're done.
Oh, yeah, now we're talking.
No, because if this tips, that's the finale. So if this shit tips, them fucking salutes are gonna blow your
Finale. That's all right. You know, Daddy went out with a bang.
Okay, my knees are killing. Up on my feet.
Just take my do-rag off for remembrance.
Are you doing a finale? Yeah.
Damn, that's it?
I did last time. Okay, well, after that, then we're gonna have to go. Yeah, the finale. Do you not have more? We did them all. We did it quick, so y'all could. We did it quick, so you guys could see it. Wait, you're actually. No, we have more stuff over here. Oh. You only have 3 more. That makes me want to stay.
Finale. This tip's over. We're screwed.
Oh. Oh, it's Danny. Night something. So if this tip is... Oh, holy shit, it's good! That one's cold for sure. Woo! Whoa! Yeah! That one's got a tip. How do you go in there by the tip? Oh, that was thunder. Thunder.
It's a big one. It's a big one. It's a big one.
They didn't light it right. It's supposed to be under.
It's like literally like it looks like a landmark. Bro.
Told you, that's how you're supposed to do it. Wow, Nina. It's a loud one.
So we're putting one on the floor. Oh, I'm getting back. Oh shit! Woo! Dude, I hate when that shit sparks back. With another ball shell. So you gotta light it. You remember the little one we lit and you said it was tiny? This is what it is. I'm getting back.
This is gonna be loud.
Oh! Shit!
We're gonna light this bucket up. There's the fuse. Run, Drew! Oh! We're gonna go with this one.
This is
With the half stick.
Oh!
Drew, run! Oh. It made it all white, look.
Wow, all the flour went everywhere.
Look how white it is. Oh,
So,
who cares?
who cares?
Look at all this.
Broke that stick. Look at that.
Oh,
how
it
white
did
it
break
is in
it.
there.
Look, it
Yeah,
broke
broke
the...
that brick.
Yeah.
Make sure it doesn't tip over.
Oh, I'm scared, bro. These are wild. Oh. We're getting more. We're getting more. Oh my gosh, we're getting more.